Create a realistic avatar to represent yourself digitally in VIVERSE. In this video, we'll show you how to create a realistic avatar through the VIVERSE website. Open a web browser on your computer and go to the VIVERSE website. Click Avatar at the top of the page. Sign in to your HTC account. Make sure to sign in using the same account you're using for Worlds or VIVERSE for Business. Click Create New Avatar. Next, use the arrows to scroll through avatar types until you see the realistic avatar model, then click Create Realistic Avatar. Choose a base model to start with. Read the tips for taking a selfie, and then click Start. Choose which camera you want to use to take a selfie. Here, we'll show you how to use your phone. Select the phone option from the toggle switch on the right, then scan the QR code that's displayed. Take your selfie. Make sure your face is inside the frame and that you're looking straight at your phone's camera. When you're ready, tap the shutter release button. Check the selfie. If you're not happy with it, tap Retake. Otherwise, tap Upload. Put down your phone and look at your computer screen. You'll see your avatar being generated. Once your avatar is generated, personalize its appearance with the available outfits and accessories. When you're satisfied, click Save. This avatar will be set as your default avatar for VIVERSE. If you want to change it, click your avatar profile picture in the upper right and select My Avatars. Select the avatar you want as your default avatar and click Set as Active. And that's it. Now you've got your very own realistic avatar to use for exploring VIVERSE. With the ability to create up to 15 unique avatars, you'll always have the perfect one for any occasion, whether you're visiting a friend's world or attending an important meeting in VIVERSE for Business.